Okay, we're going to go over adding forms to the database. If we click on forms on the right hand side, we'll see that there are a list of forms in the database. These are forms that have already been entered. Forms that have a type of internal are only visible by people who are logged in. So forms that are not internal are visible to everybody. So let's go through creating a new form. First of all, I'll log in as a person who has admin rights. Okay, I'll log in as Ava Alphen. I'm a virtual user who has admin rights. What we'll see is that I have the ability now on the bottom to add content in the navigation. I'll add content, and what I'll add is a form. I'll add a form. A few things we need to do for the form. We'll call it a test form, and I'll choose the file which has the form in it. We're going to be uploading the form to the system. So I'll choose a file, and I'll choose the file from my documents, maybe a random document here called About Stacks PDF. Now the forms that I can upload are those that end in TXT, document, PDFs, XLSs. We can change that, but that's probably likely more than what you need. So I chose the file I want to upload, I chose the title of the form, and I'll choose the category. And for this form, I'll choose the category, test form. I'll call this title Test Form Internal. That's the title of the form. And I'll choose the category of this form to be internal, so that only people who are logged in can see it. People who are not logged in can't see it. So I'll choose the category of the form, and I'll upload the form. When I upload the form, I'm creating an actual node on the site which has the form in it. So it's done. The file is there. I've uploaded the form. I can save this node, and I'll be creating the reference for that form. So now I have a new form called Test Form Internal. That's the form. It's the category. If I go back to my forms listing, I'll see that the listing is in here now. That's one I created from before, but if I go to the next page, Test Form Internal is the form. You'll see there are a couple internal forms already. The one called Internal, Form Agreement, Internal Test Form. These are being able to be seen because I am an admin. But if I log out of the system, then we go to Forms. We will not see those forms. These internal forms are not visible, so you have to be logged in to see them. All right, that's forms creation.